Hi, it's Ann Honey from Hilltop Farmstead. Today we're going to be making some lip balm using eco-friendly cardboard containers.
The ingredients to make the lip balm are for 1 ounce increments. We have 6 1-ounce tubes across the back. So 1 teaspoon of cocoa butter, we have 6. 2 teaspoons of beeswax, we have 12 here, and 3 teaspoons of extra virgin olive oil, we have 18. You'll need some sort of spatula, considered disposable because it gets beeswax on it. It's a pain to clean off. An insulated lined jug to melt the beeswax down. This is so you don't have to put it in a water bath. You can use these cardboard tubes. They work well for lip balm, or you can put them in a glass mason jar. We'll link these tubes and this jug to melt it down in the link below. Optional for this is a 1/4 teaspoon of honey per ounce, or you can add essential oils, peppermint, cinnamon, lavender, lemon, what have you. And you do that at the end as it's cooling. We'll show you when to do that. Turn the flame on medium-low. Add your dry ingredients. Let these melt down first. Relax in the cocoa butter. It melts down pretty quick. Just give it a quick stir there. But you don't want it to boil, you just want it to get melted like that.
In there now.
Add the olive oil. Got the mix off the stove. We're going to pour it in these 1-ounce containers. Make sure the bottom's pressed all the way down, or you only get it half full.
Can you fill in the top?
After you filled up your tubes with plain lip balm, if you want to add essential oil, you wait till the mixture cools off a little bit more. So it's going to turn into a gel like that. So you would add your essential oil now. That way it mixes well. And then you can fill up the rest of your tubes. Now that they're totally cool, you can go ahead and put your caps on. And make sure you write on the front or put a fancy label on what flavor they are if you added essential oil. Thanks for stopping by. If you found any value in this video, we'd appreciate it if you like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks again.